Hey everybody, welcome to my latest full body fat burning workout. Today we're going to combine two of my most favorite strategies. We're going to combine Tri-Bata with my 3C workouts. So the 3C workouts are compound exercises, cardio exercises, and core exercises. And then we're going to use the Tri-Bata strategy and workout structure. So if you're ready, let's get going. I'm going to take you through one complete circuit. And then at the end of today's video, guys, I've got a special invitation to come and join our 21-day, 100% free home Tri-Bata challenge. But let's get started with today's workout. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward, but extremely effective. Workouts don't have to be complicated to be effective. Now, we've already uploaded a lot of Tri-Bata workouts, and what I've decided is I actually want to create a complete 21-day Tri-Bata challenge to teach you how to use all these effective, short, but powerful Tri-Bata workouts over a 21-day period to get the best possible results. And you can come and join this one 100% free over at sixpackfactory.com/Tri-Bata. Sign up and then simply follow the daily emails. As simple as that, guys. So once again, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Don't forget to like and leave your comments below this video. And remember, until the next time, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.